would like to present the James Moy Memorial Award to Marc Gabbard.
I'm overwhelmed, truly overwhelmed. James and I became friends about 5 years ago through social media, and as our friendship developed, I got introduced to numerous other influential individuals in the industry, and they've all helped to contribute to our Facebook group that's continued to expand and help other shop owners, other industry people. Like I said, I'm overwhelmed with this award. I know exactly how much it means to the people involved with presenting it, James's family, Larry and Kristen, and the fact that they would feel that I'm worthy to have this award bestowed upon me is truly overwhelming.